Grabe, Inigo. Sunod-sunod ang mga ganap, movie, TV, music. Pero pag-usapan muna natin itong Drugs to Riches. It's been a while since nakita ka naming nag-comedy. Parang last mo pa, Elenia El. Kumusta naman ang paggawa ulit ng comedy after more than 10 years?
Actually, sobrang nakakakaba. Actually, I would say this is my first talagang yung predong comedy. Kasi yung Elenia Elme, pagka rom-com pa rin nila. So, talaga kabadong-kabado. Pero I guess what made it really fun was the cast that I was with. Si Bables. Si Bables, dati ko na siya kaklase. Workshop pa lang bago pa mag-artista si Bables. Nakakasama ko na siya sa mga eksena. So, masaya ako na nakapagtrabaho ko din for
That's
Project.
good.
And of course, si Elijah is one of my friends.
Correct.
Outside showbiz as well. And dami namin puro kulitan lang talaga. Siyempre yung mga drag queens sa kasama din namin. So, nakakatuwa yung makita yung passion nila sa ginagawa nila. It was my first time seeing the work that they have to put in just to get into the characters. Just even doing the drag shows.
That's good, that's good.
So, grabe yung preparation nila. And of course, para sa akin, enjoy ko lang talaga lahat yung proseso. Andun yung kaba, meron kami mga moments ni Elijah after namin shooting, kami, debriefing, sabi namin, well, nakakatawa ba tayo? Tawa ba itong ginagawa natin?
Oh my God, no.
Moments na talagang niisip namin, okay pa ba tayo? Wala naman tumatawa sa set. Pero siyempre, masaya kami na minimo to be able to do something that's outside of our comfort zone. Outside of my comfort zone.
That's good.
Masaya ako na nagawa ko siya.
What's with comedy na talagang na-enjoy mo compared to the other genre that you did in the past?
Siguro yung ad-libs, nakakatawa. Tsaka, bumiskis kasi ako Pili ko yung pinaka naging challenge ko dito sa pelikulang to is mahirap magpinit ng tao, magtawang-tawa. Lalo na kapag isa naman si Benji Baras. Benji, grabe siya mag-acting. Pero sa Bables, great K-Process. Ang hirap magpigil ng tawa, ang hirap. Feel ko yun yung pinaka-challenging part.
That's good. Sabi nga ni Kares kanina, from Good Doctor daw minsan lagare to Drugs to Riches. Kumusta yung pagpapalit mo minsan from this to that? Huhubad ka ng character.
Pa-bipolar na po actually. Hindi naman actually, I think what makes it easy for me is the people that I'm working with. Pag nasa set ako ng The Good Doctor, actually meron akong proseso that I do is I have a playlist for every character that I do. So pinapakinggan ko yung playlist na yun pag pupunta ako sa set. Parang just to get into my character, just to get into the vibe of what I'm gonna be working on. So pag The Good Doctor, medyo serious yung mga classical music, yung mga pinapakinggan ko. And pag Drugs to Riches, kung ano-ano lang, kung PM, funny songs.
That's good. O ito naman, as lagari ka daw kasi after this may tour kayo ni Papa P, 'di ba? How was it? Kumusta ang preparation? Anong mga i-expect ng fans sa inyo this coming tour?
Kakabalik lang namin from Australia. We just finished 2 shows there. Prior to that, we did a couple shows in the US. And ngayon, for the first time, magkakaroon kami ng European tour kami with father and son. It's always a blast every time I get to perform with my dad. And at the same time, more than anything, we get to see a lot of our supporters and we get to travel to countries and places. Ako, I've never been to these places, so masaya ako na nagagawa ko yun kasi kasama ko ni Karen.
Isa pa nakakatuwa, Inigo, is nagbabalik music ka rin with your latest songs and single. Tell us something about that.
And of course, I'm really glad that I'm able to come back to music. I feel like after such a long time, it took me a long process to start writing again. I had my previous trilogy EP that I did few years ago, I think 2 years ago, yun na yung pinakalas ko na ginawa. Pero sa bago kong music kasi ngayon, parang masasabi kong bumalik ako sa roots ko. I went back to how my old sound sounded like, yung dahil sa era. At the same time, showing more maturity in my songwriting. And masaya ako kung it's my passion. I think more than anything, kung pipiliin ako acting, dance, kasi singing talaga yung masasabi ko pag
That's nice.
And I'm just really grateful that I get to work with my music.
That's nice.
Speaking of Drugs to Riches, what is the movie all about? At saka anong yung role mo dito?
So ako dito si Troy.
Mhm.
At kami ni Elijah, yung character ni Elijah.
Mhm.
Ano kami dito, rivals kami.
Mhm.
And we're part of this big corporate company.
Mhm.
Ang boss namin is Tito Benji Paras.
Mhm.
And ang business namin ay nagbibenta kami ng brief.
Wow. Hawak mo ang brief.
Kaya kami nasa loob ng brief.
Wow.
Character ni Christian dito, Balimit twin siya. Simula sa lalaking version ng twin ni Christian.
Mhm.
As the story progresses, meet namin yung twin niya na drag.
Oh, hanggang doon na lang.
Mhm.
Ito lang, kasi maging spoiler na yung iba. So, masaya siya, it's a very light, very happy, feel-good movie, and of course celebrating Pride Month.
Yeah.
Just in time for it.
Yes.
And how does it feel na you went out of your comfort zone? Kasi hindi mo talaga, di ba?
Yeah.
Comfort zone ang comedy, di ba?
Masaya ako syempre, I get to challenge myself to try new things.
Mhm.
And actually, nag-uusapan nga namin ni Ate Chris, sabi ko, grabe yung mga ginagawa ko ngayon, good doctor.
Mhm.
It's also outside of my comfort zone.
Aha.
Sobrang hirap din ng character ko dito, tapos the other project that I'm doing, comedy naman. So talagang hindi sa mga, kasi nakasanayan kong characters na pinoportray.
Super napakagaling na actor ni Christian Bables. Ano yung natutunan mo sa kanya when it comes to comedic timing and all?
Grabe si Christian, nakakatakot siyang kaisena. Kasi meron yung minsan sa set, may isip niya yung gusto niyang ad-libin bago kami magsimula mag-take. Kasi hindi niya gano'n, ay may naisip ako. Kasi kami ni Elijah, magpapanik na kami nun kasi hindi niya sasabihin sa amin yung anong plano niya. So kami, mag-iintay kami, ano pa yung plano ito ni Bables. Di namin alam paano kami mag-react. Pero masaya lang talaga yan. You have to, I guess with comedy, you really have to listen to your co-actors and you have to react according to ano naman yung sinasabi ng eksena mo.
Good.
So, paano ka nakasabay sa mga
A lot of times, nung nagsisimula kami, sinatutungan na ako. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam, direct, dito part ng script, direct ang gagawin ko dito. Pero eventually, after a couple of days of working with them, mas nakuha ko na, just being yourself and reacting to whatever your co-actors are giving you and giving that same energy. And fairness naman sa cast, walang bumababa yung energy, lahat kami matataas yung energy. Lalong lalo na si Christian, sabi kong sobrang hirap na ginawa niya para sa pelikula to. Technically, tatlo yung characters na ipo-portray. Technically, pero dalawa lang talaga. Pero technically, halos tatlo yung kailangan niyang gawin. And he does it all in one day. So, grabe siya.
First time,
Ayun, may si Christian, may mga days kami na syempre tumatagal kasi kailangan niya drag queen. Tapos babalik na naman siya sa yung pagkalalaki na harap. Tapos babalik ulit siya sa drag queen. Pero okay naman, nakakatambay kami sa set.
Nice.
first time mo makatrabaho si Elijah at si Christian.
First time ko makatrabaho silang parehas. Si
Aha.
Christian Bables, classmate ko siya for mga 2 years sa workshop. So matagal ko nang kilala si Christian. Si Elijah, tropa ko talaga si Elijah. When it comes to music, and of course, marahas kaming cornerstone. Kaming tatlo. So, isa sa mga masasabi ko, kaibigan mo talaga sa, even outside shows.
Magaling kang actor, pero if to say, ano yung challenge na makatrabaho mo yung mga award-winning actors like Christian and...
Elijah.
Oo.
It's an honor for me to be able to work with them. And aminado ko na pag nasa set kami, aminado ko na ang gagaling nilang lahat, acting. And ako madami ako natututunan sa kanila. With every scene that we do. I get to learn new things from them, new perspectives.
Wow, it's great.
Amigo, when was the last time you did?
Fatherland.
Wow, galing yun.
Last year ata yung Fatherland.
Yeah, Joel Lamangan.
Medyo, yun naman drama naman direct Joel.
Tapos pansin namin sa mga project na parang hindi na more on love tips, parang solo na, ganyan. Is it your personal choice? Or parang yun lang yung mga pagkakataon?
I'm not closing my doors into doing anything with love teams or a partner in a movie. Para sa akin, dumadating siguro yung lahat ng artista na nagkaroon ng love team sa phase na gusto mo rin mag-try na mag-solo o gumawa ng acting projects outside of the love team. And it's not an easy process na kumawala sa love team. In the Philippine industry talagang big deal yung love team, lalo na kung teenager ka, nagsimula kang bata ka. And once you're able to work on other projects, it's almost like a fulfilling feeling.
Are you still open working with your Fallout 64?
Oh yeah,
Given
definitely.
the chance.
Actually, yeah. Super open. Nakita ko siya just not too long ago, last week, sa premiere ng Tayo sa Wakas.
Mm.
And you know, we were able to bond, we were able to hang out with. And yeah, I'm very open to work with anyone. Any of my loved ones.
Sabi mo kanina, yung music ang parang mas priority.
Priority mo yan.
Saan ang nagagaling?
I've always loved music ever since I was a kid. I think it's something na masasabi ko, I always find myself going back to my music. Even with kahit na umarte ako ng different projects and all that, I would say music pa rin yung nagiging number one sa gusto. Yeah. I feel like I always catch myself writing songs from time to time.
Ano yung biggest dream mo when it comes to music?
I mean, syempre makatawid internationally to break that boundary, and I'm so glad that we live in the time na nagagawa ng really mas connecting a lot of amazing artists are able to cross over. And I guess for me, that's something that I still would want to pursue.
Pero pansin namin, parang wala pa yata kayong acting work together.
Diba, wala.
Oo nga, bakit ba?
Ano ba?
Ano ba
Parang
dyan?
may mga times ba na may mga ganap?
May offers.
Wala pa naman. Pero it's something that I've spoken to my dad about. I feel like it would be an interesting story if we both fell in love with the same girl story. Tapos father and son. Parang
Wow.
kasi, parang ang cool lang ng concept. But wala pa namang nasusulat.
Pero ano ba, are you open working with
Oh yeah,
music?
definitely.
Hindi ka ba kakabahan or matatakot?
I feel like lagi naman ako makakabahan kung si Papa kasama ko. Thank you guys. Salamat.
Salamat.
Hello.